Dear friends, if you or someone you know deals with chronic constipation, this video is extremely important for you. So stick around till the end. What is a stercoral ulcer? A stercoral ulcer is a sore or break in the wall of the colon that happens when hard dry stool known as fecal impaction puts pressure on the colon for too long. This pressure cuts off blood flow, leading to tissue damage and eventually an ulcer. Think of it like this. When stool becomes rock hard, it puts pressures on the colon wall so intensely that it can injure it. Who is at risk? Stercoral ulcers are rare, but they can happen in people with chronic constipation, older adults, individuals with reduced mobility, people taking opioids, painkillers, or medications that slow the gut, and those with neurological disorders like Parkinson's or spinal cord injuries. Stercoral ulcer causes. The main cause is long-term constipation. But several things make constipation worse, such as low fiber diet, dehydration, not moving or sitting for long periods, ignoring the urge to pass stool, and medications that slow bowel movement. Stercoral ulcer symptoms. A stercoral ulcer doesn't always show early symptoms, which makes it dangerous. But watch out for severe abdominal pain, bloating, hard painful constipation, nausea and vomiting, blood in stool, fever or chills. Besides, if the ulcer gets worse, it can even tear the colon, leading to a medical emergency. Stercoral ulcer diagnosis. Doctors usually diagnose stercoral ulcers with CT scan of the abdomen. This is the best and fastest way to see stool buildup and any damage inside the colon. Besides, your doctor may also recommend blood tests to check for infection or inflammation, or colonoscopy in some cases. Stercoral ulcer treatment. Treatment of stercoral ulcer depends on how serious the ulcer is. Mild to moderate cases are treated by first removing the impacted stool, then using laxatives and enemas to help clear the bowel. Besides, your doctor may also recommend increasing fiber and fluid intake along with medications that soften the stool. In addition, any constipating medications may be stopped or adjusted to improve bowel movement. In severe cases or when perforation occurs, treatment usually begins with the emergency surgery, which may involve removing the damaged part of the colon. Besides, your doctor may also treat any infection with antibiotics. Moreover, patients also require close hospital care and continuous monitoring. Stercoral ulcer complications. If untreated, stercoral ulcers can cause perforation, a hole in the colon, sepsis, bleeding, and life-threatening infections in the abdomen. Stercoral ulcer prevention. Stercoral ulcers are serious, but they are also preventable with the right habits and timely treatment. If you are struggling with chronic constipation, talk to your doctor. Don't wait until problems get worse. The best way to prevent stercoral ulcers is to prevent chronic constipation. Besides, eat a high fiber diet, drink plenty of water, stay active, take stool softeners if recommended, avoid long-term use of constipating medications, and never ignore your body when it tells you to go to the bathroom. This was all about stercoral ulcer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this information.